Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments, and I'm looking at the beautiful one bedroom here at the Alta Sunset Heights, the Alta Sunset Heights. Now we're gonna go into the bedroom and we're gonna go take a look at it. The bedroom is beautiful. Look at this, it's just a gorgeous bedroom here. It's it's just incredibly beautiful king size bed that fits in here easily, and you've got nightstand spaces and stuff too. And here you go over here, we've got a beautiful windows that are here. You've got space for this dresser. That's a big dresser. That's a cool dresser, by the way. Ooh, that's retro. Looks greatness. The ceilings in here are tall, so that makes everything feel more grand and everything. And then here's what the bathroom looks like. It's a really nice bathroom. It's beautiful. It's got a nice lighted mirror, and then here is the gorgeous shower. Gorgeous is really tall. Love the backsplash that it goes all the ceiling. And then this is a pretty good size. I'd say it's a B for a one bedroom, probably B plus, A minus closet. A lot of space in here. So very impressive bedroom bath space. We're back out here. We're taking a look at this. Why don't you take a tour? It's time. Take a tour of this beautiful one bedroom. You can do that virtually or live in person. Both would be live, but one would be just on your iPhone. The other would be live in person. Send me a text and just say, hey, Grant, set me up with that live virtual or live in-person tour, and I'll take care of that for you for free as a part of our free service to find your perfect place here in Houston. Also, if you want to do a Heights tour, that's actually setting up a tour of 3 to 5 of the best places in the Heights. I recommend that too. We'll take care of that for you. Happy to do that. That's also free. It's a part of our free service to find your perfect place in Houston. So send me a request right away. You can do that right now.